Dad has just read online that Nessa's favourite band has split up.
Of course they're my favourite band. S-Band have been for, like, ever. I'll never see them play now. My life is ruined.
Nessa, I don't get it, Alva. I know I was the one to break the news to her, but this reaction?
How did you know about S-Band splitting up anyway, Dad?
I read it on Newsface.
Did you know, Mo?
There are 523 stories trending about S-Band.
Maybe I should have read more than one story. Maybe it's fake news.
What's fake news?
Fake news are stories that aren't true, that people like to spread about.
If something doesn't sound right online, it's best to double check, just in case it's untrue.
No way! Nessa, come quick! I just checked the S-Band website. They're still together. The article I read was fake news after all.